Hey everybody, it's Karen. You probably heard about Travis Stephenson's Simple Profit System, and I wanted to do a review on it so that you understand what you may be missing out on if you don't get started. I'm telling you, in my 14 years online, I have never seen people have this much success with the training. If you want to make a few extra $100 a month, you can do that. If you want to make a few extra $1,000 a month, you can do that. You don't have to drive traffic. You don't have to post all over social media. You don't have to show your face if you don't want to. You don't have to pay for ads. And it simply works. It's not crypto, by the way. I'm over $200 in like 39 days. And you're probably saying, Karen, that's not very much money. You've made $20,000 in a month. You've made $7,500 in a day. I have, but you'll understand once you listen to this why I'm so excited. I'm really excited to share this with you, so let's get started. So basically with Travis's training Simple Profit System, you're going to learn how to become an Amazon influencer. I'll show you that here in just a minute. And it's not anything like the Amazon affiliate program or the Amazon Associates program where you have to go out and share your link all over to earn commissions. You don't have to do that with the influencer program. Don't worry. It may sound hard, but it isn't, and I'll explain why. So you know how Amazon has written reviews, like right here, you can see there's over 9,000 reviews. They also have video reviews. So if we scroll all the way down here to the bottom, you can see the video reviews on this product. And you can see mine is right here. So you can get approved into the Amazon Influencer Program, and then you get a website where you'll submit 3 videos to get approved for what's called on-site placement. And this is what we call on-site placement. So once you upload your videos to your storefront and they get approved, then they'll show up on the actual product page. And that's why you don't have to worry about driving traffic, because Amazon does this all for you, which is super exciting. And you can make multiple commissions on one product in one day. I've had that happen to me multiple times, and now I make commissions every single day. I'm over $300 in under a month and a half, and that will continue to increase as I upload more videos. And currently you can see I only have up 57 videos. And this month, let's see, we're halfway through the month and I've already made over $200. So I'm on track to make $400 to $500 this month. First month I made 124, which isn't bad because I only had up less than 30 videos. And you can see these videos are not very long, like 30 seconds, 38 seconds, maybe a little over a minute. And these videos are easy to make with just your phone. Here's some videos that I made. This one's a dog ramp. I've made several sales on that and I haven't had that video up very long. You do not have to show your face in these videos. Some of them I do, a lot of them I don't. Here's another one I just did on this cleaner that I use all the time. And this is another one I did on this organic olive oil that we get from Costco. And you may be thinking, I don't have anything to review, but trust me, you do. You can literally scan anything, and if it's sold on Amazon, you can do a review on it. See what I'm talking about here? You take your Amazon shopping app and then click on the icon at the very bottom in the search bar that looks like the camera. I'm going to scan my kitchen cabinets. All you do is just put it on there, click search, and it'll take a picture of it. And you can see that these are sold on Amazon right here. And Amazon probably sells a lot of these because there's so many reviews, and also because it's Amazon's choice. So I can do a review on these. You can do a review on anything in your house. Just think about light fixtures, think about appliances, washer, dryer, refrigerator, clothes, electronics, anything, food that you have in your house. A review can be done on everything. But make sure you stick around until the end of this video, because I'm going to share with you how to create an extra stream of income from this, and you don't want to miss this. So with the Simple Profit System, you are going to learn step by step exactly how to do this. Travis Stephenson has been online as long as I have, 14 years, and is very successful. So let's take a look at the training. So with the Simple Profit System, it's a one-time fee of $97 for the training. There is an upsell of a one-time fee of $97, and this is where if you want to scale your earnings fast, but it's not necessary. I'll show you that here in a minute, but everything you need will be in this main training right here with the Simple Profit System for $97. There is one more upsell, which again is totally optional, and you can learn everything with this $97 course. But again, if you want to scale up to learning what others in the program have done to make an exceptional amount of money, I did get this as well, and it's a $299 one time, and I'll show you what's in that here in just a bit. Okay, so with the Simple Profit System, the first training is the main training. It's an overview, and that's just over an hour long. And then you have this spreadsheet that you can download, common questions here, and then the PDF of the training as well. The second training is to join the Facebook group, and I can tell you this is very valuable. People share tips and also answer questions, but one person needed to buy a window air conditioner, and he explained his process for buying it based on the fact that he was going to be doing a review on it. And that one item took him from $15 a day to over $200 a day. And he just freely shared what he did. So this Facebook group is very valuable in my opinion. The third training is how to grow your social following quickly. And don't worry about this. Anybody can do it with this training. You will need to have a following to get accepted into the program, but a lot of people did not have a following and followed this training and got approved. So in this module, like he said, he walks you through how to create and grow a fan page quickly. If you do it properly, you can get to 3,000 plus followers in 48 to 72 hours. And that's exactly what you need to apply to get approved into the program. The fourth training is how to actually film and submit your first 3 videos to get approval for the on-site placement. So the great thing is too, is these trainings don't take you forever to get through. They're just very short. And step 5 is basically to let people know that you were approved, but this is totally optional, and it mainly applies if you want to become an affiliate for the Simple Profit system. And definitely you don't have to become an affiliate to make good money, but generally, if you are making money, you naturally want to share it with people. And let me just give you an idea of what people are making. These are some screenshots from inside the Facebook group. This one here, it's in 7 days that they've made $3,600. Now this isn't going to happen right out of the gate, so they may have done this for a few months, but most likely they've been at this for a few months, but still, that's really good money. This one was from March 22nd to May 15th, made over $4,000. This person was within 18 days, they made $2,000. This one is in the last 7 days, $2,400. And then this one, in the first 30 days, they made $530. Their biggest day was $56. And let me tell you, it's really exciting to wake up and check your Amazon earnings because they show you the earnings that you made the day prior. And then you see all the things that you earn commissions on, which is really exciting because these are from videos that you did in the past. Okay, then there's a whole section on becoming an affiliate and how to get your links. Again, this is totally optional, but I wanted to become an affiliate not only to create another stream of income, but to tell you about the program because it's amazing and there's so many people making really good money. Hundreds to thousands a month, as I showed you. People are just like you that decided to take action. So there's more affiliate training down here. The affiliate program is inside of Kartra, and you don't pay for Kartra. That's just the affiliate platform that Travis uses. He does pay through PayPal. Now, these are some affiliate sales that I've made in the past, but I've made over $1,400 with the Simple Profit system affiliate side of it. And you do have to own the $97 product to become an affiliate, but you'll earn 70% commissions on the Simple Profit system or $67.90 as you see here. And then, like I said, there is an upsell of a training for $97 and you'll earn 20% on that, which is $19.40. And then on the scale product, you'll earn 30% and that commission is $89.70. So if someone buys all 3 products, you'll earn $177. The upsell of how to scale your earnings, in my opinion, is worth every penny of $97 because Andrew shows you how to scale with reviewing items in Airbnbs and what to say to Airbnb owners because you could go in and review 100 items in a few hours and then do a voiceover later. He shows you the top 10 methods to find products to review and how he used one method to double his earnings in 30 days. Because after you get done reviewing all the items in your house, which believe me, you're going to find a lot, you can review items in your friends and family's houses. And then if you want to earn even more, you can follow the strategies that Andrew teaches in this training, which is about 2 hours long. And like I said, it's really good. And the scale product I mentioned earlier is the $299 product. And this is what it contains. It's very good information as well because he's interviewed students that are making a lot of money and the strategies that they use to earn that much, including Facebook Marketplace, using Amazon Lens, editing with Descript, using 150 Reels hooks, outsourcing to buy your time back, and behind the scenes. So I think the Simple Profit system is definitely worth the money. I earned my money back in a month, and then I made twice that amount in less than a month and a half. I really recommend this program if you're looking to make a few $100 extra a month or to scale to a few extra $1,000 a month. If you want to get started, click the first link in the description below this video. You'll watch this short video, then put in your name and your email. And then on the next page is where you purchase the program. And you can see that it's $97, and then there is the upsell, the 15K month with Andrew for $97. So to be clear, you do not have to become an affiliate for this program in order to make money. People are making hundreds to thousands of dollars a month just with the training and people helping them in the Facebook group. So if you want to get started, click the first link in the description below this video, and I'll see you inside the Facebook group.